My dog's back there trying to be a firefighter. I'm gonna show you guys how to make a breakfast smoothie. This is the typical YouTuber lifestyle here. The only difference is when we get bored and do stuff, we film it. Everybody always asks me, how do I be a YouTuber? Well, you basically go about your everyday life, except you film it. That's how you be a YouTuber. Notice the knife I'm using, guys, for this concoction. This is my favorite kitchen knife, by the way. It's a Moore knife. They're like really cheap, and they're good. They're good knives. So we got almond milk first, original. Then we're gonna add the protein powder. So since this is a pre-workout protein, we're only gonna do two scoops. I don't want to get too heavy before I work out, so I just put in 2 scoops. Peanut butter. Two of those. Now, this part, I always do a little pre-mix, just to make it easier on the blender. Now you just add all that goodness to it. Storm's like, what? What's going on, dude? Now we got some spinach. Baby spinach. You don't have to chop the ends off these, I do, just because it turns to chunkies in there, and we don't want chunks. Take all the spinach. Now we add the mint. A little bit more milk. Not much, just a little, and then ice. Wouldn't be very smooth without ice, would it? Okay, that's it. Let's go to the Nutra bowl. This is a Midwestern man device. East Coast guys, I can make this joke now, use the BlendJet, which is terrible. That should do it for our breakfast this morning. This is actually a pre-workout, so before the gym, oh my god, it's fantastic. It's so good. Wow, that might be the best one I've made so far. I think it's the 3 strawberries compared to the 1 banana. Couple of things, make sure it's almond milk. Don't use whole milk or 2% almond. Lee hates this stuff, but Skippy natural with honey. You can use a better honey, peanut butter. Oh my god, Skippy peanut butter with honey. You can use a better honey, like something more clean, and add honey, like a natural honey to it, and that's just fine. But I love this stuff. I don't know, whatever. So spinach and mint. You can add kale, but kale makes me upset stomach, so I don't always put it in there. Unless when I'm making one for her too, because she likes the kale. So, and obviously your protein powder plays a huge role in this because of the taste. But this one you can get at Primal Nutrition. If you order it, they'll send it to you. And so this is Mass Revolution. This stuff is really good. I've been using this for years, and it's pretty much my secret to putting on weight depending on how much I take. If I do that stuff 3 times a day, I'll gain 10 pounds a week. But I don't want to gain that much weight that fast, so because as fast as you gain it, you'll lose it. But anyway, that's my quick video. That's the first. Storm, what are you doing to that pillow? What are you doing, bud? Alright guys, that's all about the time I had this morning. Just trying to still get my feet wet out here and acclimated to the new place, and I'm trying to figure out the best way to make videos and what types of videos to make and when and what direction. Having some technical difficulties with my computer and saving files to the camera, to the computer, and it's just, I don't know what's going on. My mics aren't working, so having a little bit of problems here, but should get everything wrapped up today, or get at least a type of podcast out today at some point, or like a video, I don't know, besides this one. So I'll see you guys later. Like, share, subscribe. Patreon link will be below if you want to do that. There'll be a Patreon video coming out today, so Patreon members, look out, and I love you all. Peace.